Is Polkadoption a reliable trading platform, or are you just rolling the dice with your investments? Today, we're digging deep into everything you need to know about Polkadoption, from its regulation status and user feedback to a breakdown of its terms of service and transparency. If you're considering using Polkadoption, stay tuned because you'll want to hear what we uncover. We'll go through the platform's pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right fit for you, or if it's just too much of a gamble for your comfort. Don't forget to check the link in our profile at BeCoin.net for exclusive trading insights, tips, and offers. First off, online trading can be risky, especially if the platform shows signs of being unreliable. The main red flags include 1. Weak regulation or oversight. 2. Consistent negative user feedback. 3. Complications with withdrawing funds. 4. Hidden terms or fees that aren't clear up front. When these factors are present, it's a signal to tread carefully. Let's take a closer look at specific aspects of the platform and see if it's worth the risk or better left alone. First up is regulation. Regulation is one of the biggest indicators of a platform's legitimacy. Polkadoption is regulated by MISA, a regulatory body from the Comoros. However, it lacks oversight from any major, well-recognized financial authority like the SEC or FCA. This limited regulation doesn't guarantee the same protections and transparency that users might expect from platforms licensed by top-tier regulators. For some traders, this could mean added risk, especially when it comes to accountability if disputes arise. Next is user reviews. User reviews give a real look into the daily experiences of traders using the platform. With Polkadoption, opinions vary widely. While some users praise Polkadoption's interface and customer support, there are many complaints about issues like withdrawal delays and alleged result manipulation. Mixed reviews can be a red flag, particularly for those looking for a reliable, straightforward trading experience. These experiences indicate that Polkadoption may not always deliver the seamless, transparent service that traders expect. So Polkadoption does make depositing funds easy, accepting methods from credit cards to crypto. However, for some traders, withdrawing money can be a little bit more challenging, especially during high activity periods. Some users report delayed withdrawals, raising concerns about the platform's reliability in giving you quick access to your funds. For any trading platform, smooth, predictable access to your money is essential, and Polkadoption seems to have some room for improvement here. Next is transparency of the terms of service. So clear terms of service are essential for building trust. Although Polkadoption publishes its terms online, some users have felt missed by unexpected fees or restrictive account policies. Unclear terms can catch traders off guard and lead to unfavorable situations. When choosing a trading platform, always read the fine print to avoid surprises. And in Polkadoption's case, understanding these terms fully might prevent unexpected issues down the line. But despite these issues, Polkadoption does have some features that experienced traders might find valuable. The first is a demo account with $10,000 in virtual funds, ideal for testing strategies, risk-free. And 2 is social trading options to learn from other experienced traders. And 3 is a broad selection of assets, including Forex, stocks, and cryptocurrencies, allowing for diverse trading options. So these features add value and make it easier for traders to explore strategies and markets, suggesting the Polkadoption may have some legitimate offerings for those aware of its potential limitations. So is Polkadoption a gamble or not? After examining the platform's regulations, user feedback, and withdrawal policies, is Polkadoption ultimately a safe choice? While the platform offers useful features, the lack of strong regulation and mixed user reviews mean it may not be the best choice for those seeking the complete security and transparency. As with any trading platform, we recommend thorough research and understanding the risks before committing funds to Polkadoption. Remember, if you're considering signing up, head to BeCoin.net through the link in our profile for exclusive deals and tips on navigating online trading safely. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights. Trade smart and stay informed.